Peking awoke Friday morning to a steady, sugar-fine snowstorm. Eric Severide was on scene as the city mobilized to clear the streets.
We can see just from here thousands and thousands of people. Young people, both boys and girls, somewhat older people, but mostly young, mobilized to combat this rather ordinary, rather gentle snowstorm that's been falling on Peking last night and this morning. They've been organized by the neighborhood revolutionary committees, and this is how you do it in a place like communist China. This is what totalitarianism is. This is total control of a whole population of hundreds of millions, and here you see it in operation. They simply send the word out through this tremendous organization they have throughout the country. And what you see here is a little example of how and why in 20 years this Communist Party in China has been able to change the face and the life of the most populous country in the world. They work with the old-fashioned twig brooms, not very effective dealing with snow and ice, with some wooden pushers, some metal shovels. We've seen only one piece of heavy equipment. That was a kind of a water truck that came along and sprayed water in the center of the pavement here. They do if the snow just keeps falling, you can guess. They just keep working. Maybe another shift of another 10 or 20,000 will show up. But this has staggered us all. This is total organization. They don't have any problems with consent here. Not with unions either. There aren't any of our kind. Hardly anybody seems to be standing around looking like a foreman or a boss. They all go at it together. This is a formidable thing. Awe-inspiring, maybe in a way a little frightening. This is the main thoroughfare, and this city is now full of American visitors, including the president. I don't know whether they know that they're being watched by foreigners or not. I don't think most of them do. This is the way it's done. But don't let anybody tell you these young people are doing this unwillingly, reluctantly. They're working very fast and very hard, as though they are competing with one another. And I think in a sense they are, because under this system, the way you work, not just how much you work, but your attitude, what they call your consciousness, is one of the marks that go down in your book. You're judged by your comrades, even in the smallest units. That's what's been going on for 20 years. And this is the result of it.
And that's the way it is. On Friday, February 25th, 1972. This is Walter Cronkite, CBS News, reporting from the Great Hall of the People.